Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make piping on your neckline without cord. So let's get started. So I have this piece of buckram. I folded this in half. Now from the folded side I will start giving the marking. I'm taking 2.5 inch for neck width. You can take 3 inch or 2.5 inch according to your choice. Here I'm taking 2.5 inch. Then 6.5 inch I'm taking for the neck depth, and then I will join these points and make a block like this. From here I'll take ½ inch of line and then I will join this and I'll make a curve. So here I have my simple round neck. Now from this line I will take 1 inch of gap and I'll mark these points here like this. Now I will cut this out. So here my buckram part is ready. I'm giving this notch to the center part, and here at the bottom part I'm giving this line. Now similar marking I will give to the another side also. So from the center I'm taking 2.5 inch, this side also in a similar way. So here I have 2.5 inch of marking from that notch, and then I'll make this line. Again I'm taking 6.5 inch for the neck depth, and then I will make a block. Now I'm folding this from the center and I will trace the curve part here like this. So here my round neck is ready and it's looking like this. Here you can see. Now here I have a piece of fabric. With this I'm going to give the piping. Now I'm going to place the kurti part on this. So facing both the right sides together, I will place it like this. Here also I have given the center notch, and then I have given a straight line with the help of iron. Now I will match these two notches like this, and I will place my buckram on this. So this is the wrong side of my kurti, so you have to place your buckram on the wrong side, and then I will give stitch to the neckline. So here I'm giving stitch to the neckline exactly on the line that you have made while giving the measurement. So here my stitch is done. So here my stitch is done. Now I will cut this inner part. So give little bit of gap while cutting this. Leave little bit of buckram and fabric part. Don't leave too much of gap there because that will be the part used for your piping. And then give small cuts. Now from the right side I'm going to turn this pink fabric to the back side of my kurti like this, and then you have to take out the piping part like this. So the inner part that you have given for the gap, that will be used for your piping. So here you can see how I am folding this, and then from the right side I'm giving top stitch. So very carefully complete this, and here my stitch is done and this is completed. So from the front side my piping is looking like this, and from the back side my neckline is looking like this. Now I'm going to cut this extra fabric. So cut this extra fabric. So you have to leave little bit of extra fabric so that we can fold this to inside the buckram. Now fold your remaining fabric to the buckram and then give a stitch like this. So here you can see I am folding this extra fabric to the buckram side, inside the buckram like this, and then I'm giving the stitch. Here my fold is done. Here you can see my fold is looking like this. This is completed. Now I will fix this open part, this part, with the help of needle and thread, and I will give turpai here. So here you can see I am giving turpai with the help of needle and thread, and I will fix this open part from the another side. It will look something like this. So here my turpai is done and this part is also done, and from the front side my neckline is ready with the piping. So here you can see how we can give piping to our neckline without any cord piping. So I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, you can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. और अगर आप मेरे वीडियो हिंदी में चाहते हैं तो मेरे हिंदी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है। आपसे मिलूंगी अगले वीडियो में। टिल देन बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर।